This video will demonstrate installation and setup of the FMD dispenser. An electrician must provide electrical service as specified. The dispenser must be disconnected from the power source until specified. Using a voltmeter, check the voltage and color coding of each conductor at the electrical source. Flush the water line and securely attach it to the elbow fitting on the bottom of the dispenser. Open the front door of the dispenser and place the heater switch in the off upper position. Connect the dispenser to the power source. Turn on the water supply. Water will automatically flow into the tank to the proper level and then shut off. This will take less than 5 minutes. When the tank is full of water, open the front door and place the heater switch in the on lower position. A tank full of cold water will take approximately 40 minutes for the water to heat on 120 volt versions and 20 minutes on 120/240 and 220/240 volt versions. During this waiting period, complete these dispenser setup steps. Place a set of keyholes in the splash panel over the screws beneath the hopper access door and push down gently. Place the drip tray onto the supports on the splash panel.